Our second professional development module on instructional design is the implementation of a learning management system and the effectiveness that it can have on the instructional design inside of the classroom. So, the first thing to do is the first step is to decide what is a learning management system. Well, learning management systems are ones that allow the in the on that are ones that are in the online platform to allow the teacher to administer assignments, document growth of students, track student progress, generate reports, and deliver content through an electronic format. In fact, in the article, Staff Training, Onboarding, and Professional Development Using a Learning Management System, the authors indicate that these learning management systems are becoming wildly popular. They are a completely online platform, and many MOOCs, which are massive online, open online courses, are delivered via learning management systems. You can even create your own online course through the learning management system to, again, go back to that SAMR model and completely change how you're doing instruction in the classroom. Some examples of LMS are Google Classroom, Schoology, 360 learning management software, and there are others, of course, as well. So, why use an LMS for instructional design? Well, when using an LMS for instructional design, the classroom can be completely changed and modified. It can be just totally changed inside of the realm of possibilities of what you can do inside the classroom. Um, Reiser and Dempsey, in their book, in Trends and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology, have indicated that these LMS models allow not only for face to face interactions, they also allow for interactions outside of the classroom, which is important in today's age. Think about your instructional design through an LMS that can move beyond the time constraints of the classroom. And your instruction, the way that you're delivering instruction, can continue long after the bell rings and for the class to be dismissed. So whether you're in 45-minute classes or 60-minute classes or 90-minute classes, you know, it used to be that was your time constraint. You had those 90 minutes. Maybe you assigned some homework, but that students were operating within their own realm. These LMS models for instructional design allows you as a teacher to carry on instruction even when class is not in session. It even can make for interesting things for snow days, to make sure that you have instruction up or through if you're needing to be faced with completely online instruction. This allows for your students to interact with each other despite not being in the classroom. So it allows for systematic organization. This screen right here is an example of a Schoology LMS model, and it allows for you to completely organize your lesson. In this case, the lesson is an author's purpose. There is a course introduction for how the little course is going to run. Then two courses are broken down into folders. Within lesson one is author's purpose. Lesson two is an author's audience. And then there's also a way to attach assessments, and assessments can be done right through the LMS program so that you can, again, track that student progress, track student growth. Inside of this, students can also become familiar with symbols and what different symbols mean. The little puzzle piece will mean that there is an assignment that needs to be completed, part of the puzzle. Folders are where content is going to be delivered. As you can see, you can upload material, make updates. You have a grade book online. You have a grade setup that you can weight your grade. You can give badges. You can take attendance, and it's all done through an access code. So it allows for a systematic organization of your design. So instead of just trying to design little lessons here and there, you can design full units, whole 9 weeks, take your pacing guide and make each section of your pacing guide a part of this LMS model. It also can facilitate instruction if you are not there, if there is a substitute in the building as well. So for designing instruction, students right now they're needing structure more now than ever, and the design of instruction should focus on that. We should be focusing in on the actual structure of how the lesson is going to be delivered. Developing and picking a stable LMS to allow for routine and flexibility, that is key to having a successful online and e-learning environment. One thing to consider if you're considering the use of technology, make sure you consider what you're using first and then build your design around that. Do not build a design and then hope you can find a technology that can fit that particular purpose. If you're going to use Schoology, consider that in all of your creation and all of your design. The image that was used was from my own unpublished manuscript through Liberty University Professional Development Instructional Design Plan. You also have some additional reading with staff training on board and professional development using the learning management system. That is a really good article on LMSs. Reiser and Dempsey's Trends and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology is also a good resource.